Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this bracelet. Using is of 4 mm and yarn I am using is of macrame. As usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, keep all stitches loose. Don't make them tight. Make make 21 chain crochet stitches. And please make them loose because like if you are using macrame yarn, so it's like bit hard, bit thick, so it becomes difficult to take other stitches. I'll just complete this 21 chain crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, logic behind this chain number of chain crochet stitches is like your hand when you join first and last stitch of that chain crochet stitches, we get a ring. So your hand should easily go through that ring. It's like your bracelet should easily go, means you can easily wear it and you can easily take it out. So as per your hand, take that many chain crochet stitches. Okay, here I join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we get a ring. Now 21 chain crochet stitches is enough for me to see easily wear that bracelet and take it out and remove it also. Okay, so depending on your hand, make that many chain crochet stitches. Then make one chain crochet. We are basically going to go in rounds. So first we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using one loop of each stitch. Now here we have completed with one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using one loop of each stitch. Now see, now we start with a back bump stitch. For back bump stitch we will not make stitches in these two loops. Okay, in this chain we are not going to make. Just turn it back. Can you see this round loop or round thread? Yeah, that one. See, in each stitch one round loop we get, which holds the stitch. We are going to make stitches in that is why it is called back bump stitch, because we are going extreme back and we are making stitches in that. See, not there, not here. We have to leave both starting loops, and the third loop, this back bump crochet stitch we will make. It's a normal single crochet stitch, only from where we are making that makes a difference. Don't forget, we are not going to make in this front two loops. We are going to make the single crochet stitch in the back loop, not in these two. Yeah, back bump crochet stitch. So same process you have to go on following and go on taking the stitches in round pattern. Now round, like you can make a crochet bracelet, or you can make bag, and you can even make some kind of hanging if you want to make. So it's like completely up to you what you have to make, but round will be much better. Linear, it's plain, you have to each time cut it and use it, cut it and a new yarn, new row. So I'll just complete 3-4 rounds so you will get the idea how it is going to look. See how we get that chain in a horizontal way. I have also placed a video for waistcoat crochet stitch. In waistcoat crochet stitch you get same chain in vertical way, and in back bump stitch you will get same chain in horizontal way. I'll just complete 2-3 rounds and I'll show you. See, I've made 3-4 rounds. As you can see, we get those horizontal chains. Now only last two steps are remaining. We will just make a border, one slip stitch in each single stitch in upper border. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around in upper border, and down also we are going to do same. First I'll complete this upper border and I'll show you. Now in lower border also we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of each stitch. That's it. One slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of each stitch all around. So our upper and lower border is ready, and in between you get that design. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, this is how a bracelet looks after both we have completed both the borders. Now we will just try to decorate it. We will put a circle on it. Now we learn to crochet small circle.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, See, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now in last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around. That's it. One slip stitch in each single stitch all around. Crochet small circle. Now this is how we decorate a bracelet. We will put that circle, and like I have placed a pearl, you can place a pendant, whatever you need, however you want to decorate it. So this is our final piece for the bracelet. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And as you have seen, whole video was with written notes, step by step explanation, slow demonstration was there. And I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Those who have already subscribed, and thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.